Very well. So, talking about more stuff, let's talk about Fabrizio Romano early on comes up with the update about Manu Locatelli. Well, of course, we all know what we are going to talk about. Of course, Arsenal are ready with the offer. Juventus still holding off for the money. They are going to have one more meeting. Yes, that's the same kind of tweet that he just made. Well, let's talk about a little bit open because according to Gianluca Di Marzio, even he says that Juventus and Sassuolo will meet tomorrow to discuss Locatelli. Arsenal await. Well, that is what they say because Juventus administration will meet Sassuolo tomorrow to try to persuade them to sign Locatelli, who has his personal approval. Juve will try to approach Arsenal's offer. That is, we kind of know about Locatelli. While talking about Manu Locatelli, according to Athletic.uk, Locatelli is the one Arsenal would be prepared to push the boat out for. Even though they know the Sassuolo and Italy midfielder feels like a long shot, he is available, but Juventus, his preferred choice, hold the trump card. Should we quit? Of course not. We should never quit. Never, ever we should quit. Moving on, Julian Lawrence tweets out that being told that Tottenham have now entered the race for Hossein Aouar, Arsenal are still keen on the Lyon playmaker, but Spurs are in the conversation too now. Well, the big question is like why? Why are they even in the conversation? Like to be in the conversation, you need to pay, right? So according to Athletic.uk, in cases of Ben White, Aaron Ramsdale, and indeed all Arsenal's transfers, they hope they make use of add-ons to mitigate immediate cost. Some of these are contingent or on achievements such as Champions League qualifications, so they're putting these clauses as a must. And the days of signings from apparent bargain bucket of veterans look to be numbered according to Athletic. Don't expect too many more of transfers of Willian or Cedric variety unless circumstances are particularly desperate or an opportunity arises that is almost too good to be true. And two goalkeepers could leave Arsenal. Alex Onarsson is available alongside Karl Hein, young Estonian goalkeeper, is subject of interest from Brighton, who want to replace Matt Ryan. Well, talking about Hossein Aouar, there are those within Arsenal who believe Aouar represents an affordable option because Ligue 1 teams are under increased financial pressure, but there is no longer a consensus on him. So far, Arsenal have not gone back to Lyon with a bid, according to Athletic.uk. So it's pretty much clear about Hossein Aouar. A bid has not been made for now. Let's see where that lands Arsenal into. Aaron Ramsdale is seen as a prospect to fill the gap between Leno and Okonkwo. Arsenal want someone able to provide immediate cover but also potentially be their number one. Arsenal's latest offer has been rejected, but they maintain an interest and will pursue this again. Athletic.uk also were asked Arsenal's pursuit of a playmaker. They say that it doesn't look as if this position will be sorted imminently. And even according to Athletic.uk, Mikel Arteta holds Martin Odegaard in high regard. Although the ball is not in their court, Arsenal want to be ready if Odegaard finds himself on the market again. Arsenal might wait until August to see if he gets game time at Madrid under Carlo Ancelotti. Still a long shot, man. If you're gonna wait till August, it'll be too late. Moving on, Rob Holding shared this image and with the caption "New signing." So it looks like because of his hairstyle that he's gone bald and a meaner look that you could say. But that's not the talk of the town for today. The talk of the town for today is the release of Arsenal's new kit. Yes, according to Footy Headlines and also according to their official websites, Arsenal's new home kit for the season 2021-2022 has been revealed and released for everyone to buy via Arsenal Direct. So if you want to buy, go for it. My suggestion, don't until you see signings. Please don't buy Arsenal's kit until you see signings. Now, Edu opened up about Saliba going out on loan. He says, together with William, we have decided it will be good for his continued development to spend another season on loan. William joined us as an 18-year-old and he's still only 20, so he's still developing all the time. William is a player with natural strong ability, and next season he has the potential to be really beneficial for him at Marseille. To play another season in Ligue 1 will be very important for his development. We will be keeping in close contact with William during the season. So the number 2 of Olympique Marseille for the upcoming season is Willow Saliba. Well, another update from Alexis Bernard, who also confirms that the first to mention Arsenal and Tottenham competing to sign our Arsenal made its official offer less than 20 million euros, but it wants 25. Leon. So that's what crazy stuff. Athletics say that no bid has been made. But here's the funny story. Well, Alexis Bernard says that Arsenal have bid for Hossein Aouar for now. Let's see why that happens. So here's a beautiful, beautiful aspect that we need to cover in our episodes as well. So here's a bigger update that the message at Waterloo Station in London last night in support of Marcus Rashford, Jadon Sancho and Bukayo Saka, head of Talksport and he supports West Ham, Lee Clayton, shared this on social media. That's a beautiful, beautiful message that you need to put out, of course. Well, Gabriel, before going into that, here are certain training images that I would really like to share with you. Arthur Okonkwo, Folarin Balogun, followed by Kieran Tierney, who's back in training. Nuno Tavares, I don't know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing to Omari Hutchinson, but okay. Well, the noodle hair guy needs to be aware of Nuno Tavares, man. He's the Portuguese samurai, I guess, for now. Rob Holding, of course, in the background, if you can see Willock, Ainsley, and of course Thomas Teye Partey. Seo Kolasinac, Aubameyang, and Nicola Pepe. Look at that, Kieran Tierney, Ainsley, and of course Seo Kolasinac. Yes. Oh my God, look at that. The fiery Frenchman, Lacazette, Emil Smith-Rowe, Omar Rekik, and of course Ainsley Maitland-Niles getting ready, getting geared up, amped up for the upcoming. And there we go, Kieran Tierney, Aubameyang, Cedric, number 11, okay, whatever. Ainsley, Lacazette, and Holding in the background. Omar Rekik getting ready as well. So Gabriel Martinelli scored for the Brazilian Olympic team. They won 5-2. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, they won 5-2 in their game. And yes, well, he was not the only goal scorer. Well, Renier Jesus also scored a goal. So that's the beauty of it. So Diego Carlos, Renier Jesus, Gabriel Martinelli and Matheus Cunha scored 2, so they beat UAE by 5-2. So congratulations, Matheus Cunha with the brace, and congratulations to Brazil to going, winning the game. That's all that matters for now. And as we speak, well, Man United, Liverpool, and Tottenham have joined Arsenal in the race to sign Hossein Aouar, according to Julian Lawrence. Yes, Julian Lawrence believes that it's the latest news that I would really want to give it to you, according via ESPN.co.uk. However, sources have told ESPN that Arsenal and Spurs lead the race to sign Aouar despite interest from United and Liverpool. Arsenal still in pole position despite Lyon rejecting a 40 million bid from them last season. I don't think so. It was a 40 million euros bid from Arsenal's point of view because they were wanting somewhere around 50s odd for Aouar. But this season really has been not that good for Hossein, so we can understand what he's going through. So let me know in the comments, man. It's a big ask that I would really want to give you. First of all, how did you like the new home kit? Is it drip or is it what? I mean, Lacazette looks awesome in this, but maybe because of the image quality. Let's see. It does look beautiful in this, Alex Lacazette. But let's see if that is going to be what we are going to be loving or not. So do you guys like the kit? Let me know in the comments. Do you guys like the kit or not? And what about yes. So William Saliba shared his image on Instagram. Okay, he shared on Instagram his photo with Olympique Marseille jersey wearing, and he's saying that very happy to be joining such an iconic city and club. Can't wait to wear and wet the Olympique Marseille jersey. What do you mean by wet the Olympique Marseille jersey? Okay, whatever. Yeah, Saliba, you need to explain yourself. What do you mean by wetting the jersey, man? What? Okay. It's probably by sweat, but whatever. I think if this was French, that would have meant something better. But I'm pretty much sure that. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. I'm not gonna be crying more about it. I'm not gonna make more fun about it. So that's that. So let's see what happens. I will see you in the next one. Thank you so much for tuning in, and cheers.